So first bite. 3, 2, 1. How?
Some hate now, I can't give it all up for you. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drink in this clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. Carlos, I go loco. I go back to the trap.
Alright, so what's good, kings and queens, man? King Real back with another video. Frodo, I'm gonna start calling y'all that though. I'm gonna start calling y'all kings and queens though, cause you know the channel is King Real and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start calling y'all my kings and queens in every intro. But like I said, man, as you can tell by the title today, we are at Popeyes, Louisiana kitchen. You know what I'm saying? We about to get this new chicken sandwich that the whole entire world has been talking about. You know what I'm saying? With my right now, and we about to go eat this sandwich. He actually just played copyright.
It's your phone.
He actually just played copyright music right now.
Too.
Oh! But like I said, yeah, we the chicken sandwich is $3.99. Yeah, we in the drive-thru right now, about to go get it and eat it. This line is crazy, bro. I'm talking like we're in the middle of it. It goes. We obviously can't show you. It goes all the way around the entire store and back and all that. And people are going inside, parking across the street, literally parking across the street to walk over because there's no more parking spots here. And this person, I don't know what this person over here doing. They think they about to get a spot and squeeze in, but that ain't happening. But like this line is literally, when I say this is long, we've already been waiting in line. How long y'all think we've been waiting in this line? It's probably been like what?
10 minutes.
Yeah, it's been like 10 minutes, and we not even. I'm not gonna say we're not near, but like I don't know. It's never supposed to be this long waiting in a drive-thru. But yeah, literally people parked across the street and had to walk over because there's no more parking spots. So if we're doing all this for a chicken sandwich, this better be good. And people are comparing this to Chick-fil-A. So you think it's gonna be better than Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
You actually think it's gonna be better than Chick-fil-A?
I don't know. I don't know, man.
I don't know. Chick-fil-A, I was just at Chick-fil-A yesterday. I got that little spicy deluxe. I don't know if it's going to be better than Chick-fil-A. But it is just a regular chicken sandwich. It got like, mayonnaise and pickles on it. And it's buttermilk too. I like buttermilk. So it should be really good. Hopefully it's not overhyped or nothing. I'm going to be real if it's overhyped or if it's not. Hopefully it's not though. Somebody say it. Make sure y'all
like, comment, subscribe.
That was off the splurge. I never did this with them. But yeah, like they said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? And then without further ado, let's get into this little mukbang, little taste test, all that. Alright, so we just got our sandwiches. Everybody show their sandwiches. You know what I'm saying? We just got our little sandwich. I got a spicy, then he got a spicy, they all got a spicy, and one got a classic. But yeah, let's see if this is a real hype. Like, let's see what all the hype is about. Hold on, let me get it. Everybody get their sandwiches. Oh, I gotta get a thumbnail. Hold on, I need a quick thumbnail. I need a thumbnail. Getting it. Perfect. All right, so basically, yeah, this the video right here, man. Let's see, everybody. We about to take a bite on 3. All right, everybody, look, get a camera.
This better be
all right,
good.
look, this better be good. Hold on, first bite. 3, 2, 1. How? Bro,
Bang.
hold on, everybody, first bite. How was your first bite?
Bang.
Scale 1 to 10. Scale 1 to 10.
Scale 1 to 10, first bite.
I don't know, first bite.
Yeah, it's first bite. Yeah,
I can't say no 10.
I can't give it a 10 yet because it's the first bite, but it's an 8. Hopefully, you know, maybe not the whole bite is this good. But me, yeah, let me
slapping.
Yeah, let me get it.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
This is actually just real. Is it overhyped, underhyped, or just right?
Just right.
Just right.
Definitely just right, bro. It's definitely not overhyped. I see this the spicy, so you see the sauce on it. Yo, this is actually like, is it better than Chick-fil-A though?
I don't eat Chick-fil-A.
Is it better than Chick-fil-A? Wait till we eat the whole sandwich. Wait till we eat this whole sandwich.
I don't think so.
Our brother just, I'm not gonna lie, I love you want another one.
We waited in that line for an hour.
Oh yeah. No, you think really an hour though for it?
Yeah.
It probably was an hour. We had to wait in that line for like an hour.
We got like 3 something. Fine.
40 of it wasn't drive-thru, 20 of it was just sitting there waiting on our food.
This is the bag, by the way. If y'all don't know, it's silver on the inside. Got some fries with it. It's actually good, bro.
I fuck with the spicy though. No cap. I feel like the
How
spicy
the
gotta
clouds
be
taste
good.
though? How the clouds taste? It actually tastes good. I can't. How spicy?
It's the same thing, probably just spicy.
It's not really spicy though. Like, I'm not tasting no spice. Bro.
These fries are pretty basic though. Like, who actually got the best fries?
You said who got the best fries?
Yeah.
Who? Nigga, no, I can hear you.
Who got the best fries? In my opinion.
Oh, I thought you said that
give
a
it to
certain
us.
place got a best fry.
I gotta give it to Wendy's though.
I
McDonald's?
say Rallies, man. Rallies.
Riley's. Ooh.
McDonald's fries? Oh my god.
Stop talking.
Let's get some McDonald's.
She said, "Don't."
And the bun is like this bun is good, like, everything about it is good for us. You got Popeyes by your house, dude? This the only one you go to? That's too good. I honestly want another one. Shoot. Obviously, I can't get it, though.
Man.
That is actually good.
Shit banged on the
Yeah, I'm
top.
drinking a Sprite. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This actually is, the hype is definitely there. It's definitely not overhyped or underhyped. It's pretty much just right.
Like, it's good and all, but the weight a little bit unnecessary.
What?
Nah, that shit was just right.
What's unnecessary?
The weight, I don't think it's. I mean, it's good, but like that
Well,
was outrageous.
Like, cause there's so many people that want to try it, just like us, obviously.
I feel like niggas probably wait outside in the morning for this to open. No cap. The line was that long.
He laid it too far.
Yeah, I don't know about
But
that.
that line was way too long for
In the
that.
morning?
Oh shoot. Nah, you might be right though, cause people were actually parking on they was parking in other places.
Who want a chicken sandwich in the morning, bro?
Nigga, you get it when you want it. I mean, you get it when the line isn't gone. To try it? And there's no way that they open that like early. They probably open like 10.
This is actually good, bro.
I'm gonna be full. Full.
This thing ain't full quick.
Pass me the water, don't count.
Is all y'all done?
I'm done.
Y'all done? So basically now the biggest question that everybody wants to know is this chicken sandwich better than Chick-fil-A? Like the regular Chick-fil-A sandwich.
The regular Chick-fil-A sandwich.
The
yeah.
regular Chick-fil-A sandwich.
I think so, man.
Yeah.
Probably. So we got 1 for me, 2 for him, 3 for him, and he don't really eat Chick-fil-A like that. But was the sandwich good? Like, was it good? Like
It's definitely good.
like overhyped or anything like that?
Nah.
So then he'll probably think it's better than Chick-fil-A if he had that too. So I mean, we actually think Popeyes is better than Chick-fil-A. They have pickles on theirs. They had some spicy sauce on it. Some I think there was buttermilk, and they had like some good bread. Like all of it was really good. It's like a pretty good quality sandwich. Like I actually like it for real.
Follow me on Insta, JW.loaded. You feel me?
All right.
No way.
He's the one. He's still eating. He's the slowest eater ever. We're all done and sitting here waiting, and he's the only one still eating this sandwich. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. If y'all haven't got that Popeyes chicken sandwich, make sure y'all go get it because it's real good. Like it's definitely, I suggest y'all go get that. It's really good. And eat Chick-fil-A too, so y'all can try and have like a taste test between copyright music. It's like nah, but yeah, that's.
I forget what you're saying.
Look, he actually thought that was funny. He actually thought that was funny. He actually thinks y'all gonna be able to hear him. Like this dude weird. This dude's weird. Trying to hold me on my own video. But yeah, make sure y'all
Like,
Comment.
subscribe.
and if you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all turn on the post notifications. But without further ado, it's been your boy.
JW.loaded.
Dre._E.
Why y'all say it's been your boy? Like,
No bro, that's tough though. Like, they're gonna follow me for that shit, man. That shit gonna be right there, bro. He gonna put that shit right there. He gonna put that shit right there. I promise he is. He gonna put shit right there.
That's terrible, bro. But yeah, man, without further ado, it's been your boy, King Rio. Taste test. Popeyes, you took a dub for this one. We out here.